Now we'll learn how to extract land surface temperature, which is one of the most important environmental parameters, especially used for identifying the environmental condition of an area. So we'll try to learn how we can extract this land surface temperature from satellite images without following all the, or without working on all the algorithms. So a group of researchers, they have developed a web platform, or they have developed a platform through which we can calculate land surface temperature from Landsat data and any other data sets, spatial data sets, uh, with some clicks. So for that, first we have to you have to go to this login option and click on manage and install login. Then if you search on RS and GIS, then it will available plugin, and if you click on this plugin, then it will ask you to install that. And if you have already installed this plugin, then you can update this plugin by clicking on this update plugin option. And if you have already installed it, then you can get it from this plugin option and then RSGIS. So if you click on this derived outputs, it will show a new window, and from there, first you have to select the dataset, the types of dataset. uh, for this, you can select compressed file, that will support zip file, extracted files, or folder containing the extracted data folder. So for this case, now I am taking this compressed file, as I have a zip file of Landsat satellite images. So from here you can identify that this app or the application can support LIS 4, LIS 3 data, Landsat 8, Landsat 7, Landsat 5, Landsat 4, and all the series of Landsat. So how why this LIS 4 and LIS 3? It is not for calculating the land surface temperature, but it is for calculating other parameters like NDVI, NDWI, FCC, TCC, etc. So as I am going to calculate the land surface temperature, then I have to select, or I have to browse the compressed file containing Landsat data. So here I am taking a Landsat 8 satellite image, a compressed file. 2022 file is a Landsat 8 compressed file, and after selecting this file, now I can specify the area for which I'm going to calculate the land surface temperature. And for that, you have to select the shape file for your specified area, and I am here giving area of Asansol Municipal Corporation. And after importing this shape file, now you have to select on this option uh, which you want to derive from this image. So I want to derive only the land surface temperature, so I have clicked on this, and if I click on this start processing, it will open a new window and a folder containing three files. The first one is extracted, second one is output, and a third file will be appeared. So now this app is extracting all the files from the zip file. So after this extraction, it will calculate all the derived parameters. In this case, I have selected only the land surface temperature, so it will provide a land surface temperature data. And as I am using Landsat 8 data for 2020, so it will provide the land surface temperature for two bands. As we know that Landsat 8 contains two thermal band, that is band 10 and band 11, but as per the suggestion, Landsat band 10 will be actually used for extracting the land surface temperature. So it will take some time, at least 2 to 3 minutes, to identify or to extract the output factors. So now I have got three folders. The first one is extracted, that means it extracted all the bands which are required for calculating land surface temperature. And the second folder is clipped. So as I have provided a shapefile for clipping the area of interest, so it will clip all the bands that are required for calculating land surface temperature to its aerial extension, provided aerial extension. and the third folder is output, from where we can get two files. First one is Landsat LST for band 10 and Landsat LST for band 11. So as we have calculated LST for band 10 and 11, and we have to select, we have to take only the Landsat 8 derived satellite land surface temperature, then we can import the data into this folder. And if we go to this right path, then we'll see the actual extracted land surface temperature data, which ranging between 24.22 Celsius to 36.16 degrees Celsius. So this calculation of land surface temperature is very much easy, and we don't have to follow all the steps or all the algorithms to arrive to get the land surface temperature of from a satellite image, Landsat satellite image. So it's just a shortcut method for calculating land surface temperature. But if you want to know the background of all these algorithms and the process involved in calculating land surface temperature, you have to go through each step of calculating land surface temperature. So for time saving, or for the expert who have already known the background of calculating land surface temperature algorithms, then they can use this technique for quickly calculating the land surface temperature of an area.